Of a conservative candidate running for North Carolina's Supreme Court are issuing a warning to voters. Today, they claim Jefferson Griffin is too extreme for the job, urging voters to check his record on issues ranging from abortion to gerrymandering. Bill O'Neill reports.
Most of the attention this year will, of course, be on the presidential race, but today several groups on the left called attention to North Carolina's Supreme Court race, urging voters to stay away from the Republican candidate. Critics say that Jefferson Griffin's judicial philosophy gives them pause. Foremost, his opposition to abortion.
Who is he to play God? Who is he to play doctor? And who is he to play master of our bodies? When life begins is truly above his pay grade.
Judge Griffin issued a ruling last year for the North Carolina Court of Appeals stating that life begins at conception. The ruling was later withdrawn. Griffin's campaign website describes his judicial philosophy as an originalist, as someone who favors a strict interpretation of the Constitution. His critics, however, say that the law must change over time as society changes,
which presents a clear threat to North Carolinians who want to protect their basic freedoms, and especially for people of color, women, LGBTQ+ community, and countless others.
Griffin's critics say that he opposes the landmark Leandro ruling to fund public education and supports the GOP-led legislature and its gerrymandered voting districts. Last year, the North Carolina Supreme Court, under fellow Republican Chief Justice Paul Newby, overturned a key voting rights case, giving the legislature free rein to draw new redistricting maps.
Newby doesn't need more MAGA justices on the Supreme Court. We need to elect someone like Allison Riggs to the Supreme Court to serve as a check and balance to their extremism.
Griffin faces incumbent Allison Riggs in November. Riggs, appointed to the High Court by Governor Cooper last year, worked as a voting rights attorney for the Southern Coalition for Southern Justice. Republicans currently hold a 5-2 majority on the Supreme Court. We reached out today to Judge Griffin and his campaign for comment. We have not heard back from anyone as yet. In Greensboro, Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.
And the campaign season is certainly ramping up with just 76 days to go before voters head to the poll. You can find the latest news on national and state races by visiting the Commitment 2024 section at WXII12.com.